Welcome my dear students, and today we are going to do very detailed problems in median, different types of problems, and how to draw the median curves, Ogives, what we call Ogives. Those totally we will understand in our class now, right? You see my dear students, here we have given that the first problem, it is given that actually a survey regarding the heights in centimeters of 51 girls of some class of a school was conducted and data was obtained as shown in the table. Find their mean. Okay, median. Less than 140 there are 4 students, less than 145 there are 11 students, less than 150 there are 29 students, less than 155 there are 40, less than 160 there are 46, less than 165 there are 51 students. Now less than 140 we have here, my dear students. Now the class intervals what we are going to get, right? Yeah, below 140, like below 140 class interval, the frequency. Okay, you see here the frequency what we are below 140, we know that okay, below 140 there are 4 students are there like this. Now from 140 to 145, now 140 to 145, right? From 140 to below 144 means 140 to 145, 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4 becomes 7, you will have like this. Next 145 to 150 like this, 145 to 150, right? Okay, 29 minus 11, that you are going to get 29 minus 11, that is 18 like this. Next 150 to 155 like this, 150 to 155, 40 minus 29, that becomes what you are going to get 11 like this, right? That is what 11. Now we have given now next 155 to 160, 155 to 160 and 46 minus 40, that there are 6 students here of course. Next we have here 160 to 165 like this, 160 to 165, 51 minus 46, there are 5 students like this, we have like this, right? Wonderful. This is what on a class interval and the frequency is this, we have nice. Now we need to find the cumulative frequency. Okay, if you get cumulative frequency, this is what cumulative frequency like this, right? Cumulative frequency, that is what we have here already. We know that cumulative frequency already we know that of course 4, 11, 29, 40, 46, 51, this we know that already cumulative frequency we know that of course. Less than 144, less than 145, 4 plus 7, 11, less than 150, 4 plus 7 plus 18, that is nothing but 29, like that we have. This is what the cumulative number of girls, this is what actually cumulative frequency, they given cumulative frequency only like this, right my dear students? This is what cumulative frequency only like, okay, this is what frequency Fi and this is CFI like this, cumulative frequency. And we know the formula for finding the median is nothing but, my dear students, okay, now the formula for finding the median is equal to, what you are having is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF. Okay, you know the formula is nothing but what, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, by F into H. This is what the median formula like this. Now you see my dear students, the total number of students, if you add this, n is equal to sigma Fi, this is equal to, you have here 51 students, n is equal to. Now if you find n by 2 here, of course, if you do n by 2, n by 2 is equal to 51 by 2, that is now 25.5 like this. This 25.5 is present within which cumulative frequency? Is it present within 11? No. Within 29? Yes. Therefore, this is what your median class. This is what your median class. We call this as what? The median class like this. This is the median class. We have like this here, of course. Once we have got the median class, my dear students, this you know that right? L is nothing but here. L is nothing but lower boundary of the median class. That is nothing but we have 145. Lower boundary of the median class. That is what 145 we have here, of course. Okay, fine. Next, we want CF and F. F is what? Frequency of the median class. F is this. And CF is nothing but Okay, the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. This is f. F is equal to, you have here nana 18, and CF is nothing but 11 like this. Okay, CF is nothing but 11 like F is what 18, CF is what 11. You have like this, right? Then you see we have got all the information. Now let us substitute this and we will find this thing, of course. L means 145 plus n by 2. N by 2 means okay 25.5 minus CF. CF is what 11 by F. F is what 18 into, and H is nothing but length of the class interval here, of course. Length of the class interval 145 minus 40, that is 5. 150 minus 145, that is 5. That is equal to now 5. You will have like this. Now this is now 145 plus 25.5 minus 11, like 25.5 minus 11. That is what you are going to have, right? 25.5 minus 11, that is nothing but 14.5 into 5, that is 72.5. This is now 72.5 by 18 like this. Now this is 145 plus 72.5 by 18. That if you calculate, my dear students, the total value you are going to get that as right 72.5. This is what 72.5 by 18. This if you do 149 point, you are going to get the total value as 03. Therefore the median is nothing but 149.03. Like this you will do. This is a very special problem. Many times they have asked in the examinations like this. They will give only these two. Okay, they given that less than 140, this cumulative frequency, we have to get a class interval and frequency. Once we get this, then we can find the median, that is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, like this. See Nana, here less than 140. How we will frame the class interval? Means less than 140 means below 140. 140 to 145, how many students means 11 minus 4 like this, because less than 145 11 means already less than 144 means we want now 140 to 145 is nothing but 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is nothing but 7 like this. Next 145 to 150 like this. Okay, how we will be getting 29 minus 11, that is 18. Next 150 to 155, 40 minus 29, 11. 155 to 160, 46 minus 46. Okay, 160 to 165, 51 minus 46 like this. We have what frequency and this is what class interval. Now the cumulative frequency, okay, this is what, okay, cumulative frequency is given, already they have given in the column. Now we need to find median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. That is what we calculated, and you know that n by 2 is 51 by 2. How you got median class is nothing but this 25.5 is present within this 29. That's why this is what you call it as median class like this. Next L is equal to lower boundary of the median class, that is 145. F is equal to 18 like this. F is equal to 18 and CF is equal to, okay, this is what cumulative frequency of the preceding median class, that is what 11 you have got here, of course. H is nothing but length of the class interval, that is nothing but what you have 5, right? By putting all those ingredients in that formula and by simplifying you will get 149.03 is what the total median. In this way we will be getting this beautiful problem, right? Now see my dear students, the second another different problem here. If the median of 60 observations given below is, they given the median as 28.5. We need to find x and y. They given the total number of observations as 60 and also they given the median. The median is nothing but 28.5. We need to find x value and y value. How we are going to do? You see my dear students, this is what cumulative frequency, right? This is what cumulative frequency, like if this is what the cumulative frequency we are going to have here. Okay, less than 10 there are 5 students here, of course. Less than 20 there are 5 plus x students here. Less than 30 there are 20 plus that means 25 plus x we have here, 25 plus x. Less than 40, 25 plus x plus 15, that means 40 plus x, like this we have here. less than 50, you have here 40 plus x plus y, you have like this. Less than 60, this is now 45 plus x plus y, like this. This is what cumulative frequency you have here, my dear students. Here class interval, frequency, and this is what cumulative frequency. And we know that how to find this total frequency. They have given that n is equal to 60, like n is equal to 60, right? Fine. Now from this we will get one nice equation here. 5 plus 20, 25 plus 15, 40, 45 plus x plus y, 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. That means x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. That means you will be getting x plus y is equal to 15. You will get like this. X plus y is equal to 15. You see, Nana, how we have here this x plus y is equal to 15. We have got here like this. Now we have got one beautiful equation, that is what x plus y is equal to 15. Now we need to get another equation such that we will be finding x value and y value like this. You see how we are going to do is that, my dear students, we know that median, they have given already median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is what. Now median is given as 28.5. This is equal to L. Okay, and one more thing, we know that actually n by 2 here, n by 2 means that is what actually, n by 2 means that is what, 30. 30 will be present where, like, okay, we need to find the median class. Now see, my dear students, here we have got median equal to 28.5. 28.5 is present within this one like this. 28.5 is present within 20 to 30 like this. This is what we call now median class. This is the median class. What you have, this is the median class now, 20 to 30. That is what median class. Now here you know that of course this is what F and CF is this. Okay, L is what, lower boundary of the median class. That is equal to 20 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 30 minus CF. CF is frequency of the class preceding to the median class, like cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. That is what you have got here. That is now 25 plus x, 25 plus x, whole thing divided by F. F is nothing but what, the frequency, that is what, 20 you have here, into length of the class interval. Length of the class interval is what, 10, like this. Now 28.5 is equal to 20 plus, you have here like this, right? Okay, here this is actually 5. It is not 25, this is actually 5. Okay, CF is equal to here 5 plus x. That's why here 30 minus 5 plus x by 20 into 10 like this you have here. Now this is equal to 30 minus 5, that is 25 minus x whole by 20 into 10. That is 1 time. So like this we can simplify very nicely. From this we can get nicely, my dear students, here 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 25 minus x by 2, like this. This is now 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x, right? And 8.5 x is equal to 25 minus 17, like this, because 8.5 into 2, 8, okay, that is what you have got here like this, my dear students. Now from this 25 minus 17, that value is what, 8. This is equal to 8 we have here. Now you got x value as 8 nicely, and you know that x plus y is equal to 15. X plus y equal to 15 means x is 8. 8 plus y is equal to 15. From this y is equal to 15 minus 8. That is what, 15 minus 8. How much you got? 15 minus 8 is what? 7. Right? 7. Therefore y value is equal to 7, like this. X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. Right, my dear students? Okay. X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. Such a beautiful way we'll be getting this particular problem. If they miss some values x and y, how we have got very beautifully. Let us recap once again. They given the total number of observations as 60 and median as 28.5. We have taken as usual, Nana, Cumulative frequency is like that 5 plus x, 25 plus x. So like this we did here. Now n by 2 is okay 30, and they given median is 28.5. 28.5 is present within this class interval. That's why this is what median class you have here like this. Once this is median class, this is the frequency, and this is cumulative frequency of the preceding median class like this. And all the ingredients we have kept there, and we got x value there. Already we know x plus y is equal to, because all sum of these all observations is equal to 60. That's why x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. That is x plus y is equal to 15. Now x plus y equal to 15, and you know x value and y value, you will get it as 7. Right, my dear students? This is the way how you will do this beautiful problem. Now we have the third problem, my dear students. They have given that right, a life insurance agent found the following data about distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age. Policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards, but less than 60 years. They given that below 20 there are below 20 years there are 2 policy holders. Below 25 there are 6 policy holders. Below 30 there are 24 policy holders. Below 35 there are 45 policy. Below 40 there are 78 policy holders. Below 45 there are 89 policy holders. Below 50 there are 92 policy holders. Below 55 there are 98. Below 60 there are 100 policy holders like this. Right, my dear student. Now the class interval actually below 20, this is like below 20 is actually 2 we have here like this, the class interval below 20. This is actually below 20, you have below 20 there are 2. Now 25, 20 to 25, 20 to 25, my dear students, 20 to 25, 6 minus 2, that is what, 4, you have here like this, 6 minus 2. Okay, now 25 to 30, 25 to 30, 25 to 30, 24 minus 6, 24 minus 6, 18 like this. Now 30 to 35 like this, 30 to 35, okay, 45 minus 24, that becomes, we'll be getting here 21 like this, right? Fine. Next, 35 to 40, you have here 78 minus 45 like this, 78 minus 45. That's 3, 7 minus 4, 3. 33 you have here like this. Okay, wonderful. There are 33 students in this range. Next we have here 40 to 45 like this. 40 to 45, there are 89 minus 78. That means 11 students, 11 policy holders are there. Next 45 to 50, 45 to 50, 92 minus 89. That means 3 policy holders are there. Next 50 to 55 like this, 50 to 55, 98 minus 92, there are 6 policy holders are there. Next 55 to 60, there are 100 minus 98, there are 2 students are here. Now we have got, this is the class interval, this is the frequency, and the cumulative frequency they have given here itself like this. Now we need to find total how many students are there. Here the total students are, the total policy holders are 100 policy holders. If you add them, you will get total 100. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 8, 18, 24, right? You will be getting 24 plus 21, 40, okay? 5, 45 plus 3, 78, and this if you add, you will be getting 100 like this. Now, you see, Nana, n is equal to sigma fi, that is equal to totally 100 students here. Right, now we know the median. How we are going to find? We did already this problem. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is what we have here, of course. N by 2 is now here, n by 2 is equal to 100 by 2. That is what? 50. 100 by 2, that is 50. Now 50 is present within which? Okay, this is, okay, 50 will not be present within 45, 50 is present within 78 like this. Okay, here you have here like this, within 78. Therefore, this is what? Median class. This is what? Median class like this, right? If this is what? Median class. We know now here what? L is nothing but lower boundary of the median class. That is nothing but 35 plus n by 2. N by 2 is what? 50 minus CF. CF is nothing but, this is the one, okay? The cumulative frequency which is preceding to the median class, right? CF, that is equal to, you have got 45 like this, 45 by F. F is nothing but what? This is what frequency of the median class. That is what 33 into, okay, H. H is nothing but the length of the class interval. That is what? 5 like this. So 40 minus 35, 5 like this. We have here now. That is what now? 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5. 5 by 33 into 5 like this. Now 35 plus 25 by 33. We have got like this. Now if you simplify this, my dear students, how we are going to get, right? That if you simplify, what you are going, 35 plus 25 by 33, that is nothing but 0.7575. Okay, this is now 35 plus 0.7575 like this. Now this is 35.7575 like this. This is what the median in this beautiful way. We have explained two models in this. It's a very important, my dear students. We have, okay, covered two problems in this model, and these are very important like this. In this way you will be doing these problems, star marked problems. Now see, my dear students, here we have the following distribution gives the daily incomes of 50 workers of a factory, right? This is what they given daily workers. 250 to 300 there are 12 workers are there. 300 to 350 there are 14 workers are there. 350 to 400 there are 8 workers are there. 400 to 450 there are 6 workers are there. 450 to 500 there are 10 workers are there. Now we need to draw the cumulative frequency graphs. One is less than cumulative frequency curve and greater than cumulative frequency curve. How to draw those? Both are called as Ogives. In this problem only, now we are going to discuss, right, my dear students, how to draw these both Ogives, less than Ogive and greater than Ogive. Now you see, let us write less than cumulative frequency here, of course. Less than cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency. Now less than 300 there are how many students? 12. Less than 300, see, less than 300 how many laborers are there? 12. Less than 350, less than 350 means what? This 12 plus 40, totally we have 26. Less than 400, okay, less than 400 you will have here, right, this 26 plus 8, 26 plus 8 you will have here 34 like this. Now less than 450, 34 plus 6, this 6 also will be included, 40. Less than 500, now this 40 plus 10, that equal to 50, we have like this. Less than cumulative frequency, this is what? Less than cumulative frequency. Next we have greater. Both curves we need to draw like this. Both curves we will be drawing them, of course, right, my dear students. Now you see, we will write greater LCF. This is what you call LCF, means less than cumulative frequency. Next, greater than cumulative frequency, GCF curve. Both curves are called Ogives. Now you see how we are going to have GCF also. You please observe. Once we got this, and we will draw the data for this, of course, right? We will draw the data for this. Now GCF. GCF for this greater than cumulative frequency means greater than 250. How many students are there totally? Okay, greater than 250. How many laborers are there here? Total greater than 250. There are totally 50 workers are there. Okay, because to greater than 250 all will become like this. 50 will be coming like this. Now greater than 300, like greater than 300 means this 250 to 300, 12 will not come. 12 will not come. That means 50 minus 12, that becomes 38 will come like this. Next, greater than 350, greater than 350, right? For this greater than 350, okay, this 50 minus this 26, 50 minus 26, that will be 24 will be coming like this. Now greater than 400, greater than 400, 50 minus, okay, totally greater than 400 means 50 minus 34, that become 16 will come. That is what? 24 minus 8, 16 will come. Next, greater than 450, greater than 450, you have here, my dear students, what you will be having is greater than 450. There are what? How many students are there? Only 10 students are there like this, right? Greater than 450, there are only 4 students, 10 students are there. Now to draw the LCF curve, the points actually for to draw the less than cumulative, we told that we take an upper boundary less than 300. Less than 300. This is what 300 comma 12. This is the point 300 comma 12 like this. Okay. To find these are what LCF points. Now we are going to plot them and we are going to get the curve. Please observe like this. This is what 300 comma 12. Because while we are doing LCF less than 300, less than 350, less than 400 like this we calculated. That's why. Now okay, another one is what this is what less than this is upper boundaries 350 comma less than cumulative frequency 350 comma 26. This is what we have here. Next one is what we have here 400 comma 34 we have like this 400. Next 450 comma 450 comma okay what we have here 40. This 450 comma 40 we have here like this. Next 500 comma okay 50. This is what LCF points. This indicates upper boundary because less than 300 there are 12 students, less than 350 there are 26 students, less than 400 there are 34 students, less than 450 there are 40 students, less than 500 there are 50 students like this. These are what LCF points. Now using this only we are going to draw the Ogives. Draw the Ogives now. Now GCF points, we are going to take GCF points. While finding greater than okay more than cumulative frequency, we have taken lower boundary. Okay, what we have taken lower boundary greater than 250. How many are there? That means 250 comma 50 like this. Greater than 250 there are 50. Greater than 300. This is what now? Greater than 300 there are how many? Okay, 38 are there. 38 you have here like this. Greater than 350, right? Greater than 350. We have here 24 students are there like this. Greater than 350 this. Now greater than 400. Next we have greater than 400 16 students or laborers are there. Greater than 450. Now greater than 450 we have here how many? Okay, 10 students or 10 laborers are there. These are now LCF points and GCF points. Using these points if we draw the curves, both are called LCF Ogive and GCF Ogive. These are the 2 points are important. You please observe the graph how we have got. Now I am going to erase this part and I am going to draw these using LCF and GCF. These curves both are called as Ogives. Both are called as Ogives. Okay, if you understand this problem, one particular problem, this you can do any problem in the exercises of course. Right now I am going to erase this part and we are going to draw those things. Right now my dear students, we are going to draw this both LCF curve and GCF curve. For this the x-axis is nothing but x coordinates. That's why we have taken x-axis as 250, 300, 350 like this, first starting like this. Okay, scale also we can mention here. The scale is here. Okay, on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to, we have taken actually 50 units like this. 50 units like on y-axis we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units we have taken like this. 10 units we have taken. Now you see 300 comma 12. Okay, the first one LCF curve 300 comma 12. 12 means here we can take like this 300 comma 12. 350 comma 26. 350 comma 26 like this. 400 comma 34. 400 comma 34 will be somewhere else like this. 450 comma 40. 450 comma 40 like this. 450 comma 40 like this. 500 comma 50. 500 comma 50 like this. If you just join this, you have a rising curve. This is what you call LCF Ogive. Ogive, LCF Ogive like this. Right, you call this as LCF Ogive. Right, very nice my dear students. Next okay, GCF Ogive. What we have 250 comma 50. 250 comma 50 here, this is the point LCF. Okay, 250 comma 50. 300 comma 38. 300 comma 38 means here it will be there. Next 350 comma 24. 350 comma 24. 24 means somewhere else here like this. 400 comma okay 16. 400 comma 16 means somewhere else here like this. Okay, next 450 comma 10. 450 comma 10 means here like this. Now if you draw this curve, it will be like decreasing curve like this. We join just like this. We join like this. This is a GCF ogive. This is a GCF ogive. These are what we call ogives. Now the point of intersection what we are having here, that okay, the thing like this. This is what LCF ogive. This is called GCF ogive. Both names are given as ogives. Both names are given as ogives, right? Like this, ogives. From here, the point of intersection, if you draw a vertical line where it meets x-axis, this value between 300 and 350, something like, we don't know, some 340 or something, that will give you the median approximately, right? This will be the median, okay? This is the way the total, the last exercise is telling how to draw less than cumulative frequency curve and greater than cumulative frequency curve. These both are called as ogives. And once we have got LCF points and GCF points, this is the way, my dear students, how you will draw. All the problems will be like this only you will be doing. Okay, you please complete the remaining problems as homework. Okay, if you have any doubtful problem, that we will be doing. Thank you very much.